Binance is currently providing a $100 welcome bonus for new members who sign up through my special link. Download now and discover why over 232 million users choose Binance to buy crypto, trade over 350 cryptocurrencies, and securely hold their assets.
What do I need to do to sign up and download the app?
There are two ways to download the app. Option 1. The app download sign-up link is located in the description and comments sections below this video. Option 2. Visit leonacademy.org to find a one-stop resource for app download registration links and in-depth instructional materials. Clicking the sign-up link will reveal a page with a white or black backdrop. Enter your correct email address or phone number in the provided field, and then click on the Next button below. You will instantly receive an account activation code via email or SMS. Please check your inbox or messages.
I haven't received my account activation code. What should I do?
If you don't receive the activation code, there are two solutions. First, please check your spam folder. Sometimes emails, especially those containing codes, can be mistakenly marked as spam. If you still can't find it, please click the Resend Activation Code button. The system will send you a new code shortly.
I don't know how to verify my email address. Can you please explain the process?
After registering, the system will redirect you to the email verification page. Open your email to check the account activation code, then copy the sequence of numbers. After copying the sequence of numbers, paste it into the verification code field below. Click Next to complete the process. The next step is to create a strong password. Make sure it's at least 8 characters long and includes a mix of upper and lowercase letters as well as numbers. For example, I could use a password like 247leon365. It's got 10 characters, a capital L, and the numbers 247 and 365. Easy, right? Finally, click the Next button to complete the account registration and proceed to the app download page.
I have so many online accounts with different passwords. What are some effective strategies for managing complex passwords?
Using the Google Keep note-taking app is one way to manage numerous passwords. It's a simple and effective solution for those who struggle with remembering complex passwords. To get started, open your phone's App Store, search for Google Keep and tap the download button. It's completely free.
How do I download the Binance app?
Once you've finished registering, you'll be taken to the welcome page. Just click Next to continue. To finish, tap on the download button to get the app on your phone.
How can I deposit, withdraw, and complete KYC verification?
In the next videos, I'll walk you through how to deposit, withdraw, and complete the KYC process. It's a simple process, and I'll make sure to explain every step clearly.
How can I download apps and step-by-step guides?
To get started, visit leonacademy.org to download your apps and complete guides. If you enjoyed this video, show us some love by hitting the like button. And don't forget to subscribe to Leon Academy's YouTube channel to catch the next videos.